Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
Jackpot.
Welcome viewers to the other side of 2019. 2018 was so much fun with you guys that we had to continue this magical experience with you. So we wanted to take this time right now to thank you, the viewers and the subscribers, for giving us so much love and so much support in the previous year. So you notice we start off today's vlog in Chagaramas by Williams Bay with Mr. Norman, because you know he had to come out and get his foot stretched, right? So we out here with him right now. I take him for a little seawater to sap the foot. You know how the thing is go. The heart wrong, test this kicky. So right now we are wrapping up here and we're gonna do some more activities with him today. So you're just gonna come along with me while we're doing this vlog. So I'll see you on the other side of the intro. I don't want to just like very random shit. Alright viewers, so we are on the other side of 2019. 2018 is past us and it's gone, and I know there are people who have regrets on some of the things that they may not have accomplished in the year that was past and gone, and then there are those who, like myself, have a lot to be thankful for. So first and foremost, I am thankful for you, my viewers, you, my subscribers, for the support that you all have given me in 2018 and the growth coming across into 2019 as we continue trying to show you and show the world that Trinidad and Tobago has much more than just what you may see online. We're trying to put some more stuff online to show you the rich content and the different places of interest and the persons of interest within the country that making and have made headway in so many ways and in so many contributions by the things that they do to put the country on a global stage. And this is one of the reasons why I do what I do, because I believe that there are some people do not have a voice to put it out there. Hey, here what's going on. This is what I'm doing, and stating a claim. That's why I come here every week and I produce vlogs and I put out videos to state my claim to let the world know that, hey, I am not just a taxi service. I am not just here trying to take people money. That's all I concern about. No. I have a deep passion and a deep love for what I do. So that is why it reached a stage now that I'm competing with my own self. Sometimes I say, yo, this video weak, and I post in this week. And that happens. And nothing is wrong with that. I honestly don't believe anything is wrong with that. It is all about creating a standard and holding that standard. And I challenge all other brands and everybody else in whatever field they do. It may not just be taxi service. It might be just making pies. I challenge you to do something out of the box. Do not be a trend follower. Be a trend setter in 2019. Right? And let us not also wait until the 31st of December or the last month or the last week in every year to decide, you know what, I'm not going to be on BSN. I'm going to switch up the game. No. Let it be a part of you, a part of your genetics to want to continue winning, to want to continue doing better, striving for excellence. Let it be a part of your inner genetics. Alright? So I just say, first vlog for the year, let me use it as something a bit more different than what I'm accustomed doing. And you're going to see a different side to our vlogs and a different side to the contributions that we're going to bring to you guys this year. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do. Hit that notification button and hit that subscribe button. And every time we upload, you'll be notified.
Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
Jackpot.